Hello students, we have learned cursive capital letters, how to write cursive capital letters. So today we are going to start small cursive writing. So let's start from A. So here I have written these letters that are in capital form. So I write it again in capital as well as a small form. So firstly how to write capital in this way, capital A. Now I write small a near that. So take a small curve in this way. So we write A. Then B. Now for small b, cursive small b, take curve properly. B. Then C. This is our capital C and now small c. Now next one is D. Small slanting line, just cut it in this way. So we get capital D. Now small d. Then capital E. Start it from second number line. Now small e. It is within middle two lines, small e. Then after that capital F. Now small f is starting from this line. The small f is along 4 lines. Then capital G. Capital G is also on 4 line. Now small g, cursive small g. So it is on lower 3 lines. Then after that capital H, and now small h. Then after that I, small I. Then the letter after I is J. So how to write capital J? So start it from second number line, and this capital J is along 4 lines, and we write I. I is along 3 lines. Then small j. Small j is on lower 3 lines. After that capital K. It's very easy. Sorry, I write capital K there. Okay. And I write small k near to this one in this way. I write it again here, capital K and small k. This small k is like capital R, but it is within these 2 lines, this R. Then after that capital L. Now small l. Then after that capital M. Now small m is along middle 2 lines. Then after that we have to write capital N and small n. We have to complete this line. So firstly I write capital N. Now small n is along this middle 2 lines in this this way we have to draw this N. Then after that capital O. Now small o. Just observe all the letters carefully. Then after that capital P. Now small p is on lower 3 lines. Now this one is capital Q, and this one is cursive small q. Then after that we have to write cursive capital R and small r also. So firstly we write cursive capital R. Now small r, ये हमें यहाँ पे ये जो ब्लू कलर की 2 लाइनें इसमें ही ये R आना चाहिए. In this way R. Then S. Now small s. Then after that this one is T. Now small t. Then this one is U. Now small u. It is on this middle 2 lines in this way. The next one is V. So start it from second line. V. Now small v is same, but it is within these 2 lines, middle 2 line. Then W. Small w. Then next one is cursive capital X. Now small x. Then Y. Now small y. Then last one is Z. सो ये जो Z आपने राइट किया है होमवर्क में वो 3 लाइन में ही लिखा है, बट ये 4 लाइन में आता है, 1 2 3 एंड 4. और जो स्मॉल वाला होता है वो लोअर 3 लाइन में आता है. सो अगर आपकी मिस्टेक हो गई हो तो आपको ये करेक्ट करके लेना है. So in this way we have written all these letters in capital form also and in small form also. So आपको ये पूरे दोनों भी टाइप में राइट करने हैं 2 times. Okay, thank you.